In this video, I will show you a demo on Windows Firewall. You can reach Windows Firewall from the control panel, and you will see here Windows Defender Firewall. This is the built-in firewall in Windows. If you go to Advanced Settings, you will see we have inbound rules and outbound rules. So if you want to block anything from outside, you have to go to inbound rule. If you want to block something from inside to the outside, you have to go to the outbound rule. So for example, I'm going to access this website. This website doesn't use an encrypted traffic. So it uses port 80, which is not secure. And I want to block using port 80. So what I have to do, I have to go to the outbound rule, right click, new rule. I'm going to block a port. Next. What is the port? It's port 80. Next. What's the action? Do you want to allow or block? By default, as you can see, it's block. Now it's asking you on which profile, public, private domain. I will apply it on all. Next. Now I have to type a name for this rule. I type the name block port 80, hit finish. Now you will see the rule is active. Let's go again here, refresh the page. You will see the user is getting your internet access is blocked. If I open a new tab and try to access another website, such as google.com, it's using encrypted traffic, it will be allowed. As you can see, he can access google.com with no issues. Now the problem here, if I want to block a specific website, there is no way with this Windows Firewall. If I want to block, for example, accessing facebook.com, this is outbound rule. But if I go here, new rule, there is no option to select a website. You can't block a program, you can't block a port, and there is predefined rule, but there is no way to select a domain. So this is a disadvantage in Windows Firewall. So in the upcoming lecture, I will show you a real product, which is FortiGate Firewall. It's a hardware firewall, and we are going to go deeper and we'll see more features that will help us to secure our network. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.